Hare Krishna. So today we are on the 4th verse of the 3rd chapter. We see Krishna has spoken to Arjuna about the two types of yogic processes already. One is karma and the second is jnana. And he says that depending on the internal factory setting, which depends on inclinations and vasanas of a person, one will automatically be drawn towards a certain kind of activity, either buddhi or towards karma. But karma will give results. Buddhi is definitely superior wherever a person analyzes how things are going. So fearing that if I do karma will give results and I'll go down again in the girth of mire, material whirlpool. So should I refrain from karma? Krishna says no. He says in today's verse, text 4, Na karmanam anarambhan naishkarmyam purushashnute na cha sanyasanad eva siddhim samadhigachyati. He says, my dear Arjuna, not by merely abstaining from work can one achieve freedom from reaction, nor by renunciation alone can one attain perfection. Na karmana anarambhan naishkarmyam. If one does not just begin karma, that does not become naishkarmya or bhakti. No. Just because karmas will give result, I abstain from karma, it is not a viable option. ऐसे चलता नहीं है. And Krishna says, Nacha sanyasanad eva. Just by accepting sannyas, giving up all fruitive activities, samadhim gacchati, one attains perfection. So just by not merely abstaining from work, one can be situated on transcendence. And just by accepting sannyas, it is not that one achieves perfection. We see, buddhi yoga is definitely superior. But to come to that platform of buddhi yoga requires a very important factor, which is purification of heart. जब तक हृदय की शुद्धि नहीं होगी, मन जो है वो वासनाओं के प्रति सजग और जागरूक होकर उनके प्रति भागता ही रहेगा. This purity of heart, it cannot be forced and no one can fake it also. No one can force and no one can fake. Purity of heart is something which is visible. वो दिखेगी. इसीलिए हमने देखा कि अर्जुना asks, ओ स्थित प्रज्ञस्य का भाषा समाधिस्तस्य केशव स्थितधि किम प्रभाषते. ये सब क्यों? अरे वो जो है वो दिखेगा सामने. So Krishna says it doesn't work like this. The classic example is of monkey. वानर, लाइफलॉन्ग वेजिटेरियन, कोई ये नहीं करता है, हमेशा पेड़ों पे रहता है, अपने लिए घर भी नहीं बनाता, लेकिन हर वानर की कई सारी पत्नियां रहती है. So just because he is a vegetarian, just because he is staying on tree, he is not wearing anything, he becomes a sadhu? No. Yes. So this is a very important concept to understand. That's why one should never fake sannyas. Sat, nyas. Nyas means to renounce. Sat means eternality. So जब हम eternity के लिए अपने भौतिक कार्यकलापों को छोड़ देते हैं, that is called sannyas. But this platform cannot be faked. Yeah. And it cannot be imitated also. एक व्यक्ति को जबरदस्ती वहां पे नहीं बिठाया जा सकता, नहीं जो व्यक्ति उसके प्रति अभिरुचि रखता है उसको उस चीज से रोका जा सकता है. दोनों भी पॉसिबल नहीं है, वो अपने आप खींचा चला जाएगा उसकी ओर. It just requires purity of heart and it requires practice. But someone who is not on that platform, one should not artificially fake it. That's the essence. So Krishna gives us hope. Yes, second chapter 40th shloka. Neha vikramanaashosti pratyavayo na vidyate swalpamapyasya dharmasya trayate mahato bhayat. Wherever you are, whatever condition you are in, my dear Arjuna, keep endeavoring, keep endeavoring, keep endeavoring. Endeavoring little by little, little by little, little by little, everything will be done. There should not be no fix. And Krishna will continue this concept in tomorrow's verse also. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Krishna, Krishna Krishna